I'm Shae Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me today is Brendan Cummins, the Managing Director for Black Canyon. Brendan, it's great to see you again. How are you?
Good thing, Shay. Really excited about the latest results that we put out on some initial metallurgical test work that we completed from the Wandanya project.
Yeah, look, let's dive into these. I know we've had past conversations where you're actually expecting it to come in lower, and I believe these results are better than expected.
Yeah, look, I actually put some numbers out in a past release, and the aim was to upgrade it to somewhere around 35-40%. Um, there you go. You don't put these things in writing, but we blew that out of the water. Well above the benchmark 44% manganese, which is the premium product. No, really pleased with those results. In terms of we've been able to deliver them, reasonably quickly since drilling the project in September. So plenty more to do on this project, and it keeps on delivering. We've got the grade now. We've done the test work to show that we can produce a product, and the next drill program is all about scale. Let's see if we can make this thing big.
Well, yeah, now let's talk about what that drill program looks like, because I know when you first went out to Wandaya, you found surprise iron ore.
Yeah, that's right. So with when Daniel, it's kind of the two for one. Manganese was always the primary target that we're looking for. We're a manganese company, but as I was doing the mapping, I did note some high grade hematite up on the ridge, and it seems to be potentially related to the manganese as well. You might have a manganese high down on the flats where the fluids have enriched purely for manganese, and as we've gone further up into the system, it's dumped out hematite. So we're desperate to get some holes into those as well, and just see what the significance of those results are. I mean, we've managed to get 60% plus hematite out of that. It's got very low deleterious elements as well.
And just to wrap up today and this good news, can we look at these results in a bit more detail and what they actually mean?
Yeah, so what we did, the drilling has demonstrated fairly consistent mineralisation. It's averaging around 29-30% manganese. So there's actually quite a distinct segregation in that mineralisation. The upper zone is around 20%, the lower zone's around 40%, so on average around 30%. So we've processed the 20% material, that upgraded, and the results were around 48%. So going from 21 to 48% using simple DMS that's an outstanding result. Then the high grade material was around 40%, and that upgraded to about 53-54%. It's already high. You get a little bit higher when you actually combine the overall results. The manganese was coming in between 48 and 50% as a concentrate grade, with low iron as well, and low aluminium as well. So really important. So it's all about learning more about the deposit and all about the mineralisation at this early stage. So being able to produce that concentrate, as I've mentioned before, it is a massive tick box for the company as we progress the Wandanya project.
It certainly is, and congratulations on these results once more. Listen, Brendan, thank you so much for being here. I can't wait till you get out on the ground to see what comes out next.
Look and I looking forward to it. Talk soon.